Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. For the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. We do cooking, vlogs, DIY, and fashion. So guys, in today's video, it's just a day in my life creating content. Yeah, but first of all, I'm going to show you guys, I'm about to shoot a DIY video, which will go up, I guess, before this one. And I want to set my softbox lighting. I've never used them, so I want to try and use them today. So let's fix them together. The bulb, guys, they did not come with bulb, and I always forget to get new bulb. Every time that I think like, Lydia, you have to get new one, I always forget. So these ones, we usually use them in the house, so I just pick them to use them only for today. I'll be going to get some, the other ones, the one that they usually use on this one. This one is on already. So yeah, this is how they are. Space when they are not on. Yeah, that is my space when they're not on. And one is on. Another one is on. I guess the lighting is better. So guys, I'm done shooting the video. Oh, I'm tired. It was a DIY video. I'm done. As you can see, I guess the video will go, yeah, before this one. If you haven't watched the video, check the link here. Yes, and go and watch the video. So now I have to unbox some stuff that I got from Jumia. So guys, I'm just from shooting and I want to open up this package that I ordered from Jumia. It's a foundation, Maybelline Fit Me. Guys, I did the order blindly because they were going on sale. They were going for sale, so I was like, let me just grab one before they finish. I don't even know if it's going to be exactly my color or darker or lighter. I don't know, but it's kind of quite okay with my skin. So yeah, I guess this is not a white, it's a cappuccino. I'm used to 342, but they're out of stock, so I just picked the 340. But I guess it's quite okay. It's not too bad. It's kind of my shade. And then the second one is also a Maybelline Fit Me product. The first one, I ordered a powder. It was too dark. So I don't know if I did the same mistake, because the first time I ordered blindly, and this second time I did the same mistake. I just check how it was looking and I was like, seems like something that can work. But that has worked with this one, but this one I'm not so sure. So let's open and see. The same things happen. The same mistake that I did last time is the same mistake that I did this time. Let me show you guys. I guess it was just a waste of my money. I guess now I will go to a shop, test and see, because on Jumia they are quite affordable, more than on the shops, because using the app. I got it, it was on offer. I got it at 488, but if I go to a shop it will be around 1,000 and something. Let me show you guys. See, it's too dark. I'm not this chocolate. It is too dark for me. Oh. This was a waste. I don't know. Maybe I will use it as a contour. Yeah, by the way, I don't have a contour. I guess I will use it as a contour. That will be a good idea. I will use this one as a contour. Yes, but this one, I love it. So now I have a class. So see you guys when you see me. Guys, I'm just from checking the video, and like in that clip it was kind of lighter, but this thing is not lighter, it's dark. It's like, this is how it shows on the when you are checking on the app, but it's dark. It's dark. This, like, it's darker than this. You see, like, this way this coach is showing you, like, the way it looks, like this is how this one looks like in real life. I don't know why is it showing like as if it's lighter. No, but it's dark. I don't know, it's dark. This thing is lying. Okay, it does look like this. This is how it looks like in real life. Here, I don't know. It's just giving me another color that I don't know where it's coming from. But it is not. It doesn't look like this. Let me try to take a photo. But this thing is lying. It doesn't look like this. It looks like this. Like this. Yes. So now let's move on, guys. Shooting done. So now where will I start? Where will we start from? Oh, because this is our status. God bless us with a studio room so that we don't have to struggle. Please, please. So now let's fix this. Back to normal. Back to normal. Guys, see what I got? It's as if like every month I have to receive a birthday treat. My birthday was in April, but it's as if I'm still receiving goodies. This must be like the best year of my life. Let me see. Let me open this one. Oh, this is so nice. Thank you, boo-boo. Okay. Let me open it, guys. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Thank you so much, babe. Oh, shh. Oh, shh. I'm so happy. Thank you. Happy birthday to me after 3 months. Oh, like, guys, every month now I have to receive something. If it's not a birthday surprise, it's a birthday gift. If it's not a birthday gift, just something must come. Okay, thank you so much, Boo Boo. Thank you. It wants me to cry. It looks so good. So nice. I'm having a restaurant review with Sylvia, so I'm just about to do my makeup. So I was like, let me just take you guys along. Let's do the makeup and then we go meet her. Yeah. So now let's get ready so that we don't be late on that restaurant review. So I'm not a makeup person. Me and makeup, we are not that. I'm not that good. I just try to do the basic and my best. So let's start with foundation. I usually use Maybelline Fit Me. I got it from Jumia. I've done my skincare. Nowadays I'm using Garnier product. I don't know if I showed you guys. Yeah, nowadays I'm using the Garnier products. They're quite nice to eliminate the dark spots that I have. Guys, I can't wait to share with you my skin journey, how it started and how I ended up my face being destroyed, how I ended up with all this. I can't wait to share with you guys what happened. What happened. So yeah. So now we have to blend. So I'm done applying the foundation. I'm not good with eyeshadow. I'm not good with all those stuff. So I usually just go as basic as I can. And I love this one. If you want like a good eyebrows pencil, check for this Marc Davis. It's nice. Like, I don't struggle. It's not a makeup tutorial. It's just me doing my makeup. Looking like a witch, but getting there. For highlighter, I usually use this MAC foundation. It works best for me. Guys, makeup is usually a struggle. Oh! Give me a minute, I have to stand up and look to the other mirror. This one is giving me headache. Well, so guys, I tried. They don't have to look like twins. They can just look like brothers and sisters. Yeah, they don't have to look exactly the same. So this is the look. Maybe I'll show you guys once I'm done. So I'm going to blend that off once I'm done with all the other stuff. So with my eyeliner, I guess I tried. Then before applying the lipstick, let me do first my edges. So now let's apply the lipstick. I always use this one, MAC. I love it. And we are done. We are done. So this is the final look. So this is the final look. We are done. How did I do it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm not good with makeup. So yeah, we're done with makeup. Now let's get ready. Let me dress, show you guys the outfit so that we can go. I'm already late. So I don't know who is going to be late today between me and her. Let's go and see. So I'm the one who was late. Yes, Nyapa, thank you. Say hi. I'm the one who was late. Hizi vitu mnazikulanga ama mnazitopanga? Mimi mtakula.
Jamani. Jamani.
Definitely. It's nice. Too sweet. Is it okay?